Hey guys, Tommy DiDario here. Today I am making my healthy, flourless, no sugar added pumpkin spice muffins. Alright, so my oven is preheated. You want to make sure it's at 350 degrees, and then you want to take a muffin tray and either spray it. I like to use coconut oil. You can use muffin liners, the more festive the better, and then set that aside until you're ready for it. So first, you want 1 cup of almond butter, and this is actually your batter instead of the flour. So that's a good tip if you want to be gluten-free, if you just want to stay away from flour, whatever the case may be. Just use almond butter, it's that simple. Next is the pumpkin. This smells so good. This is organic pumpkin puree, nothing in it, no sweeteners, pure, pure, pure. Perfect. Next we're gonna do 2 eggs. And now the sweetener. I love the maple syrup. It's such a healthy alternative. You don't have the chunks and chunks of sugar. You know when you feel your teeth grinding? None of that. So good. And now we're gonna use a little bit of baking soda so that the muffins rise. This is half a teaspoon of that. 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, and the holy grail, a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Here we go. Boom! Mix it all together. Oh, it smells so good. Flavors of fall. Your batter should firm up. It's not gonna be rock hard, but you don't want all the different pieces floating around. So really make sure it's one smooth, even batter. And here comes your chocolate chips. So you want a 1/3 cup, really get in there, and then simply fold them in. All right. Okay, here's a pro tip for you. When you're making muffins, I like to put the batter in a measuring cup. That way, hopefully you don't make as big of a mess when you're pouring the batter into your muffin tins. You want to bake these anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, and remember at 350 degrees. I found the sweet spot is about 17 to 18 minutes, so play around. All right, start the clock. All right, the muffins are ready. My gosh, you guys. Wow. These came out unbelievable. Check those out. You want to let these sit for 15 minutes before eating. You want them a little bit cooled off. You can't burn that tongue, and then you can enjoy. Rachel, thank you so much for having me. Happy fall, everyone. Enjoy.